In this video, I'm going to show you how to make pillows in Bloxburg. So first, make sure you are on the build mode. And now click the toggle groups and then locate to the desired objects you want to create it a pillows. So in here, I decided to create a pillows in here in the bedroom. Now click the decorate and then the decorations, click the pillows and then select the desired type or design of pillows you want to put. So in this case, I've decided to click this basic rectangular pillow and then it will automatically attach to the pillows from your bed. Just make it on the right size or right angle. And as you can see in here, it automatically changed the pillows in your bed. And that's it. That's how to make a pillows in Bloxburg. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.